Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Clearly I suck at intros. I've been sitting here for like a minute. I don't know how to start my video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, by the title of the video, we're gonna be deep cleaning my fridge and freezer. Hopefully I get to my freezer. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to because it's already gonna be 5 p.m. So I don't want for it to get too late, obviously, because I do have a 2-year-old. And FYI, my boyfriend is out of town working, so I don't have the help that I usually have when he's home. So also I just wanted to ask you guys a quick favor. If y'all guys could please send a prayer out to the man upstairs and let him know to keep Jose in a bubble, to keep him safe from the virus or any bad things going on in the world, just to keep him safe in general. Just because, you know, I am a little nervous about the virus, especially for him to bring it home. But I would very much appreciate you guys to just do a small prayer for him. But anyways, yeah, I don't have that much help, so hopefully we can get to the freezer as well. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name's Alondra. I do videos pretty much about lifestyle. There's nothing really in specific that I do. So if you have any ideas of what you want me to film, definitely comment in the section below and let me know. So that being said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on so you guys are notified every time I post a new video. And if you haven't subscribed yet but have been watching for a while now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I don't want to waste any more of your guys' time, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys the before and the after. While I'm deep cleaning it, I'm probably gonna do a voiceover because I definitely don't want to make this video way too long and just talking throughout the video. So yeah, if you want to watch this type of video, or if you're interested in watching me deep clean my fridge and freezer, then just please keep watching.
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, so y'all seen it, the final outcome of my fridge. I hope you guys thought this video was interesting. I'm pretty sure y'all noticed my quality change in my video. It did change because my camera did die, so I had to finish recording with my phone. Right now I'm actually recording with my camera, so the quality changed in the video, but it wasn't a big deal. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am really tired. It took me like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, and then I had to take out the trash, and I live on the 3rd floor, so it's super tiring, especially when I'm pregnant, and it's really hard to catch my breath once I'm going up the 3rd level. So I probably sound a little tired, which I really am. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, watching the before and after outcome and the during. So yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join my family. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see everyone in another video. Bye.